Hello, what's up guys, my name is Rahul and you're watching Beast Update. As you know, TikTok has been banned in many countries and India is one of them. YouTube has taken the advantage of this ban and announced YouTube Shorts last month. Now this feature is rolling out all over the world. As you know, India has the largest number of creators of TikTok in the world. So many companies want to take that advantage and want to build app like TikTok. By the way, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. So guys, first thing to do is you have to update your YouTube. I have already updated it. Then go into the YouTube, tap on the plus icon and then go to the video section. Here you will see a create a short. When you tap on create a short, here you can add music which is very similar to the TikTok, and here you have a lot of options to choose from, and you can also search for the music and songs. You have also many options like speed. You can reduce or increase the speed of your video. You have also the timer. It has only 3 timers, 3 seconds, 10 seconds or 20 seconds, so you have to choose from them. You can also upload video from your gallery.